The richest people in 2026 won't be those who know how to work harder. There'll be those who know how to command AI to work for them. And I'm sure you already know this. Hi there, in this tutorial, we're going to be looking at 5 genius ways that you can make money from ChatGPT in 2026. This is going to work for you even if you have zero skills, you've never run an online business before in the past years. So make sure you stay until the end of this tutorial so that you won't miss out on any part, because the fifth one may be the one that will interest you the most. And if you're just stumbling on this channel, you haven't yet subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button so that you become a part of our growing family. Business number 1 is to start an AI content agency for small businesses. Now, a lot of businesses are moving online every day, and they know that AI can actually help them to scale, but they either don't know how to use it properly or they don't have the time. Because the truth is that a lot of business owners get overwhelmed with other business activities, and yet they need daily content to be able to grow online. So you can position as an AI content agency that provides content for social media captions, web page copies, advert scripts, product descriptions, and a whole lot more. And if you position properly, you can actually attract international clientele that can pay you anything from $100 to $300 per job. And the good thing about this is that you don't even need to be skilled or be an experienced writer. ChatGPT can do everything for you, but well, you also need to know how to use ChatGPT properly to be able to get great content from it as well. And while learning to use ChatGPT effectively is really not difficult, if you stay committed to watching a couple of YouTube videos on how to prompt effectively, you should be a pro at crafting powerful content from ChatGPT for any business at all. Now, the second one is for you to start an AI prompt or digital products business. Now, what this means is that you create prompts and sell them as products. A lot of people don't know, but this is going to remain a gold mine even in 2026. Because again, a lot of people want to use AI, but they don't know how to talk to it properly. And they will gladly pay for a done-for-you product that would help them to get the best output from this AI tool. So you can create and sell prompts for real estate professionals, online coaches, churches and pastors, content creators, and a whole lot more. But then again, you need to also be able to effectively prompt ChatGPT to come up with powerful prompts that people will be willing to buy. Now, you can sell these prompts on different platforms, including Etsy, Amazon, Seller, and even on your social media platform. And for you to sell on social media, you just have to position yourself as an expert in that area, create powerful videos that can also be done with AI, and before you know it, you start selling those prompts and people will start buying and be making money. Now, the third business model we're going to be looking at is AI automation of faceless media brands. These days, you can build an entire brand without ever needing to show your face. You can create an AI influencer that acts as your content creator and your influencer. All you need to do is to know how to use the AI tools that is going to be giving you this output. And you can actually build on any platform of your choice. People are doing faceless TikTok accounts, they are doing Instagram accounts, but the most popular and my favorite is faceless YouTube channels, because you can potentially monetize your YouTube account and be able to make a lot of money every month. So ChatGPT can help you write the scripts, can help you create strong video hooks, can also help you write video description, tags, and also SEO titles that can potentially make your videos go viral. And then you can use other AI tools to create your videos. I've spoken a whole lot on how to start a faceless YouTube channel on this platform. You can go to the description of this video and check it out so that you can learn. There is also an online course that I would recommend. It is by somebody who is currently getting massive results as a faceless YouTube channel owner. And if you want to be able to stand on the shoulder of someone who's already getting results so that you won't make mistakes and also be able to get monetized in record time, I'll encourage you to check out that course. You're going to find the link to the page for that course in the description of this video. Now, how do you get paid? You can get paid through ad revenue, where YouTube gets to pay you when your account reaches monetization. You can also get paid through paid collaborations and partnerships. You can also get paid by selling your own digital products or also selling affiliate products for other businesses. And that leads us to the fourth business you can do with AI in 2026, and that is to start an AI affiliate marketing business. Now, affiliate marketing has been in existence for a very long time, and a lot of people are beginning to feel that it is no longer profitable, but it's going to be one of the most profitable businesses in 2026, especially with AI automation. The first step would be for you to select the affiliate products that you want to work with. It can be a software, it can be an actual product, or it can even be an AI tool, or even an online course. So after selecting the product, you can then ask ChatGPT to create video script for you that you can use to create reels for Instagram or TikTok or your preferred platform. And then inside of those reels that you're creating is where you get to sell those products. One reel that goes viral can potentially make you a lot of money from that affiliate product that you are selling. Now, before we talk about the fifth and the last one, I'm sure that you have been getting value from this tutorial. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you become a part of our growing family and you won't miss out when we post similar videos like this one. And here on this channel, we talk about how to make money online and also a whole lot on sales, marketing, and advertising. Now let's go on to the fifth one. And the fifth one is to become an AI coach or tutor. Now, again, a lot of people still do not know how to use AI. You can position as an AI coach who is teaching people how to effectively use AI. You can teach AI for students, for job seekers, for coaches, for churches. You just need to position as an expert, and your people would find you. You can actually create an entire brand on social media and build an authority around that, and then start to sell online courses, physical workshops, online workshops, and even package trainings. Once you're able to grow your following and you have built authority, you can actually sell out your products and make a lot of money. Now, for all the business models that I have mentioned, there is one thing that is similar with all of them, and that is the need for you to build a brand that is visible. Because if you're not visible, nobody is going to know that you are doing any of these businesses. And if you want to grow really fast and be able to get a lot of clients, one of the ways would be to leverage on paid advertising. And this is the point where I get to mention that I run an online advertising agency that helps businesses with managing sponsored ads. You can either reach out to me through the link in the description of this video or look for my email address anywhere around my channel, and you can send us a message and we can get talking about it. 2026 must not end without you making a lot of money from AI. And whichever of these businesses you choose to do, I am going to be here to assist. I'd also like to hear from you. Which of these business models are you going to be starting in 2026? Go to the comment section and let us engage. And as I come your way next time, it's a bye for now.